basically fluency is for any language we are learning. Fluency is speaking in the language without any break, without any pauses, speaking without thinking of what we have to speak.
Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the most essential topic, how to become fluent in English. If you want to get good at spoken English, then you need to speak in English as much as possible. But unfortunately, we speak in English only when it is mandatory, like during an interview or during in a presentation. The reason why we don't able to perform well just because to speak in English you need to start practice months or years before that. If you will do what I am telling to you in this video, then I am sure you will become more fluent. So please watch till end, like the video for motivating me to make more videos. Subscribe the channel and make sure hit the bell icon. Sometimes you were not selected in MNC companies. Sometimes you don't even apply for the interviews just because lack of fluency. Might be you have talent, you have some extraordinary skill like leadership quality, good communication skill, but you have a language problem. You can't speak in English. In this case, your communication skill also not working good because this is the second step. First, you should focus on your fluency. Now, tell me what is the fluency? Most of time we listen, she is fluent in English, need fluent candidate in English. So, what basically fluency is for any language we are learning? Fluency is speaking in the language without any break, without any pauses, speaking without thinking of what we have to speak. So first simple trick to become fluent is listening. You have to choose a topic daily in English and listen this topic twice. When you will listen at first time, listen carefully and write down the difficult words which you don't able to understand. Please don't ignore those words because it helps to increase your vocabulary and vocabulary is must to speak in English. Possibly use English to English dictionary for those words. After then, must listen again and try to understand properly. And eventually, you just have to write down in your own language what you listen entire. It will help to develop your listening skill. And also, learning new words is great. But what use of those words if you cannot express by forming a proper sentence? So, to learn sentence formation, you must practice to write in your own language. It helps to get good at spoken English fluently. Next simple trick is loudly reading. When you read loudly, it helps to pronunciation clearly, increase your vocabulary, help to improve your reading skill. So, here you can read the Times of India newspaper, the Hindu newspaper, you can buy books, beginners can read storybook. So here I would like to tell you again, use English to English dictionary for difficult words. Don't neglect those words. To become fluent in English, grammar is also an essential part. But you do not need to give separate time for specific grammar. When you read more and more, your basic grammar are covered. So at the time of speaking, you can speak grammatically correct. Along with reading and listening, you must have to daily practice of speaking in English. Here are the mistakes you are making that preventing you from speaking in English. You care too much about what people think if you getting wrong. But try to speak more and more will definitely get improvement. Let's see the easiest way to practice, that is random talk with yourself. If you do not have anybody else to communicate in English, that time you can use this trick. Just take any word and start talking with making sentences randomly. For example, taking word music. Music is the best entertainment source. Listening music with tea, it's an enjoyable moment. But I also know tea is not good for our health. Health is a real wealth and not pieces of gold and silver, told by Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is known as father of nation. See, here we start with music and end with nation. Maybe it's going funny, but you do not need to think more, do not need to translate from your first language to in English. So, try this trick in your daily practice and also in comment box with word music. I am waiting to read. Most of time you are giving up when it gets tough. But nothing is easy than quit. So instead of quit, do practice on regular basis. To become fluent in English, the only way practice, practice, practice. This is not the thing will happen magically in 2-3 days. You must take efforts. Then be fluent in English. It opens up your career to multiple possibilities. And please remember, English is extremely needed for your bright future.